In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Shopify theme via zip file. Uploading a theme this way is really handy if you've downloaded a theme from a marketplace, purchased a custom theme, or received a zip file from a developer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload that zip file into your Shopify store, where to find it, and what to do after it's installed. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and everything else in your store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up the Themes area, where you can see your current live theme at the top. On this page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Import Theme, or a similar option related to adding a theme. Click that button. A small drop-down will appear, and from that drop-down, choose Upload Zip File. This tells Shopify that you want to add a theme from a file stored on your computer. Once you click Upload Zip File, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, click the Add File button. This opens your computer's file browser, where you can navigate to the folder that contains your theme zip file. Make sure you select the actual zip file and not an unzipped folder, because Shopify needs the theme in compressed zip format. When you've found the correct file, click it once to highlight it, then click Open at the bottom right of that file browser window. You'll be taken back to the Shopify pop-up, where you'll now see your selected file listed. Go ahead and click Upload File to start the upload process. Now, give Shopify a moment to process the file. You'll see a loading indicator, and after a short while, a notification will appear at the bottom of the screen confirming that your theme has been uploaded. The new theme will now show up in your theme library section, below your current live theme. At first, you might see a label like Installing Theme. This just means Shopify is still setting everything up behind the scenes. Wait until that message disappears and the theme looks fully available in the list. Once it's finished installing, you can click into it to customize, edit, and preview it. And when you're ready, you can publish it to make it your live theme, just like you would with any other theme in your library.